I'm only one call to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. Hello, Salad Master. Salad Master. Yes, they are very, very happy to meet Salad Master, and they are saying they are going to change more lives. They are going to change more. Hello, sir. Are you happy to meet Salad Master?
Very, very happy today also for the future.
Wow. So what can you tell the other people who have not seen the presentation, and when they see the presentation, what advice can you give it to them?
I want to encourage everybody who comes into contact with the presenters to buy into the idea, because this one, as for health, you can't buy it anywhere. Doctors can help you, but they can't do all for you. So you have to take charge of your own health and make sure that you eat well, and so you live well and have a stress-free life.
Wow. This is interesting. Madam Eunice, how did you see the cooking?
Oh, it was very good, very well.
Wow. This is fantastic presentation today. And thank you so much, Salad Master. And we welcome you to Salad Master Worldwide. You are very, very welcome to Salad Master.
This is prepared with no oil. Hello, madam. How do you feel the food?
It's good.
The food is good?
Yeah.
It's prepared with no oil.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much to Salad Master. Hello, sir. How do you check the food?
Fantastic.
The food is fantastic.
Wow.
This is prepared with no oil. And this is fried rice with no oil.
Yes.
Maybe if you search,
Yes.
you can find some time.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Salad Master.
And this is Bismarck Gia. B-BIZ is here with my clients.
Thank you,
Jollof rice prepared with no oil. Yeah, the chicken is fried with no oil. Stew is prepared with no oil. That is a jollof rice. Wow. Hello, sir. Do you have something to say? Do you have something to say to tell the other clients?
Well, I was doing the first time
Yeah.
to set up my set. And so far so good. It tastes well.
Yeah, tastes well, right?
Tastes good.
And this is prepared with no oil.
And we hope to continue. This
Yes,
should be a routine way of preparing food in our house.
that's it.
And with time, we should be able to tell you the results as compared to the oil.
Hello, madam. Do you have something to say? How did you see the cooking?
The
At the
cooking
kitchen?
was good. It was simple and easy.
It's simple and easy. Wow,
It's a healthy way of cooking.
that's great. That's great. Salad Master, what we say is we keep changing life. That's our slogan. So when I say Salad Master, then you all say we change lives. Salad Master.
We change lives.
Salad Master.
We change lives.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Salad Master, we change life. As you can see, I'm very happy because I'm done with a prominent family, lovely family, with Mr. Fair and the wife, Madam Eunice, who today prepared in Salad Master. She did jollof rice prepared with no oil, and then vegetable spring rice at the same time. Chicken was fried without using a drop of oil,
As you can see, we are all enjoying from Salad Master today, and I'm very, very happy to meet this lovely family. In fact, they are very, very happy, more than myself. In fact, look at the food. The food tastes nice. It tastes good. Yes. As you can see, it tastes good. Yeah. Now I'm going to do a little interview with Mr. Fair and the wife and the family, so that they will tell you something themselves. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you see the food? Did the food taste good?
It tastes very good.
Very, very good.
It tastes very, very good.
Wow.
You eat to live. You don't eat to die.
Wow, wow,
you
wow.
Eat nutritious food.
Oh, wow, wow, wow,
food
wow.
that will give you good health.
Wow.
And that's exactly what I'm eating.
Wow.
It comes with no external oil.
Wow.
We didn't add a drop of oil. I'm eating jollof rice prepared with chicken with no external oil. I repeat, no external oil added.
Wow, wow. So what would you tell, what do you have for those who have not experienced Salad Master? What do you have for them?
Yes, I will encourage each and every person to invest in it. We tend to invest in cars, we tend to invest in other properties which in the long run do not help us. This one, we invest in it in the first place. Once you acquire it, it is for life. Secondly, you are given periodic health tips, how to prepare nutritious, good food that will build your body and give you long, healthy life.
Wow, wow,
That
wow.
is what I have decided to invest in.
Wow,
And I'm
wow.
going all out for it.
Wow, wow.
So today is the first time I'm eating from Salad Master, and I'm expecting to derive maximum benefit in the days ahead.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We welcome you to Salad Master Worldwide. And I would like to interview Madam Eunice, how she saw the cooking. In fact, I'm very, very happy to meet this family. B-BIZ is here with Madam Eunice. Yeah, Madam Eunice, how did you see the cooking?
The cooking was very simple.
Wow.
Very simple.
Very, very simple.
Yeah, very simple.
Wow.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at the food.
Yes.
She did everything all herself.
Yes.
Today, this her first time using Salad Master to cook this way. And it's simple.
Yes.
Very, very simple.
Very, very
We
simple.
welcome you to Salad Master Worldwide, and we encourage every family to have an experience with Salad Master. Book your appointment with B-BIZ, and I'll come to your comfort home to demonstrate it to you, and then you also be having that experience with Salad Master Worldwide. Thank you so much, and keep recommend us on.